Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change icons color on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So the first thing that you can do is open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and style, and then choose color palette. Over here we need to tap on the switcher in order to enable the palette. And now if you scroll down just a little bit, you should be able to find apply palette to app icons. So you want to tap on this switcher in order to turn on this feature, and then we can press apply. Of course, we can choose different colors over here. In this section, we have wallpaper colors. You can swipe to different pages, and we also had basic colors as well. So now if I go back to the home screen, as you can see, I have most of the app icons in a chosen color. Of course, most of these colors are applied to only some most popular apps or those that are default on the system. But this is how we can set up the custom color for some apps. Now, in addition to that, you can also download a custom theme for icons. And in order to do so, once again, we're gonna go to the settings. This time we're gonna choose themes. And over here we have Galaxy Themes Store. Keep in mind that you need a Samsung account for this to be able to download stuff. However, it is really easy to set up, so you shouldn't have issues with that. So let's proceed to icons. At the bottom we can choose icons, and let's say I'm gonna stick only with free icons. I want to switch to top. Then over here where it says all, I can tap over here in order to select free, so that I see only free icons. And as you can see, we have different themes for icons, and let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And now I can press download, wait a couple of seconds, press apply. And there we go, we are now applying a new theme for icons. And there we go, as you can see, we have different colors or even a different theme for icons. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.